Good morning. It is a very snowy day here in Erie, Pennsylvania. It's currently 26 degrees out. I am going to get ready in the car because it's a bit too cold to be going outside. Getting ready. My pants a bit too tight today. Uh-oh. It's been a while, guys, and I'm back, I hope. I'm gonna be totally honest with you. I have not caught a fish yet in 2024. No, is that a lie? I haven't caught a single fish in 2024. Y'all, I need to step it up. I've been up to Erie twice in the new year. Both days, I just couldn't get into it, you know? Can't always just get into it. So, been super busy with work, but I would be lying if I said I didn't miss actually fishing. So, I'm very excited to be here today. I did hear some news that the creeks are not even low and clear, but a literal trickle. It's not the most hopeful thing to hear, but it does kind of narrow the spots where I can fish. I'm gonna go with what I have, but you can take a wild guess at what I got. Eggs. Also, this is my steelhead shirt. Gotta get in the mood, you know? So we have an issue. I left my waders in my truck bed, and they must not have been facing the right way. And so now there's ice on the inside of them. Yeah. You know what? I'm gonna go for it. And my feet are wet. Y'all, they were not kidding. Like when people said there's no water, I'm talking summer level low. I really don't understand this year how it is that we have not been able to maintain water in the creeks. Guys, it's freaking February. Halfway through February. And typically March is like my favorite month to fish. And at this rate, we won't even be able to fish in March. I mean, 2, 3. It's like no water in the creeks. We're gonna be fishing a very, very short leader. Some of the lowest conditions I've ever seen this time of year. I don't know if we're gonna find any here. We're gonna have to go even shorter leader. Guys, this is so low. Guys, that was first cast on a rock. I know I just tied that on and I had skein on, but I actually think I'm gonna put an egg sack on because odds that I get hung up right now are really high. So we're gonna go white eggs. Oh shit. Dropped them in the water. I'm gonna go white egg sack on a treble hook. Probably gonna have to size down to like a size 18 treble hook. I don't know if that was fish. If it was, that'd be great, but I don't know if I believe that. I'm gonna try this hole for very long. We're gonna keep walking. There's like one deep part of this hole that I would love to get my bait back to. Odds today that I snag are gonna be high because like all the sticks and logs and trees and things are gonna be exposed. And there's also like, oh my god, oh my gosh, guys, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, guys. My drag is not set. Come on, fish. No, 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 no. Oh, I have freaking ice on my line. When I tell you this fish is pretty... No, 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 no. Oh, shoot. This fish is pretty much already on shore because there's no water. Come on, fishy. Oh, heck yeah. Oh, guys. Okay, that's landed. I don't know if you can see this or not. First fish of 2024. Yeah! First fish of 2024, guys. Yes! Yes, yes, yes. We did it. And my hands are already freezing. It's part of the game, but boy, is it cold. Ooh, I also have this new tool, this unhooker thing. Okay, I can't find it. Okay. Yes, just like a charm. Guys, there she is. Beautiful fish, tiny little steelhead, high up on the creek, no water. Letting her go. Boom! Yeah! Oh, first hole! First hole, baby! Oh, my hands are so cool, baby! Oh! Yes! Yes, yes, yes! Yes! I did it, I did it, I did it, first hole of the day, yeah! Okay, I gotta let my hands warm up because that thing was cold! That unhooker thing, oh gosh, that thing worked like a charm. Guys, and nobody's here because the roads are bad. Oh, yeah! Okay, y'all, we're upstream a little bit, just a little bit. The really cool part about today, if you know anything about me, if you know where I fish, you know I like to fish water that has like runs to it, okay? There's a few different spots that fish can sit in when they sit in the runs. Typically, if there's a run, there's some form of water coming in towards the hole. And then there's like, and am I snack? Yeah. Okay, hold on. 1 second, let me, come on. I don't want to break it off. Oh, I got it, guys. Okay, so what I was saying, if you're fishing a run, typically, if you're fishing a run, there is some moving water coming into a hole. Because that water's coming in over time, where all that water is running to, there will be a, oh my gosh. Guys, and I broke off. Maybe one day I'll get to what I was saying, but we're gonna have to fish the back of this hole. There is ice in this hole right now, so I'm just gonna try and follow along the ice ledge, because that's really the only place. Ah, are you kidding? Come on. You can always like get in the hole and break out ice, but I don't know, I'm not in that kind of mood today, if you know. I'm not really in the whole getting in, breaking out ice mood. Some days I'm in that mood. I really, oh guys, I just saw a steelhead. It just turned at my bait. Okay, so there's a fish literally right here at my feet. Okay, at least I'm in the right spot. I know that. Now I just gotta... my bait's actually floating above its head. I'm gonna need to put another weight on. Oh, there it is. Heck yeah, guys. Heck yeah. It's a little bit bigger than the last. Oh, I popped it. Oh, I could have gotten it. Could have gotten it. It was literally right at my feet. Here's the thing though, is I watched that steelhead take my bait. Like I could see its mouth open. And so because I saw its mouth open, it didn't fully close its mouth when I set the hook. So I set it a bit too early. Dang, guys. It's a little bit bigger than the last one though. It's so crazy though, I watched it bite. It's always fun. When I say no water though, I mean no water. I just don't think there's gonna be enough moving holes up here to be productive, so we're gonna head on down, we're gonna keep on fishing. Okay, y'all. I'm dealing with this absolute mess of a rod because I just caught a fish. Oh shit, he's completely unhooked. I did not get this fish on camera because honestly, I've been walking upstream or downstream. If I'm gonna be honest with you, I can't tell which way I'm going, but I wasn't getting any bites, but I keep finding deep holes with water moving through them, which is exactly what I've been looking for considering there isn't a whole lot of water in the creek. So I wasn't getting any bites. So I actually put on an extra weight and I lifted my bobber up. Oh, shite. Literally the next cast after doing that, I caught a fish. So I'm going to try the same hole that I just caught a fish in. But I'm going to try and egg sack. I had skein on. I dropped my scissors somewhere. So it's going to be kind of hard to cut skein. But I'm going to try the same hole. I'm going to try it with this higher leader. I have rocks, gravel. Okay. Of course, as soon as I catch a fish, I just turn into like this massive hot mess. Yeah, see, there's just so much going on right now, guys. My reel's frozen. My line's frozen. My hands are a wee bit frozen too, I'm not gonna lie. Put these gloves back on for a second. I kind of want to put skein back on. I don't know. I had it too. I was waiting. I was like, I know I'm gonna get one as soon as I hang up. Next hole, boom, right there, pink. So on days like today, I have to make every little run count. So I am going to start walking back to the car. And I walked by this one run underneath this tree here. And I just can't pass it up. I gotta give it a go. Hold on. Try and get the ice off the eyelid. See, and that's the thing too, is like sometimes I'll get the ice off the first eyelid, but it's really on the second and the third. Okay. I'm telling you, there's gotta be one in here. These like, I don't know what's going on. What in the freak, dude? Is something like messed up down here? Oh, it is. Oh, that's... No. Oh, did I get it? Doesn't look like I got it. Might have gotten it. No way I just got that. That was the tangle or untangle of the century. Holy cow. That's why it's being weird. Untangle of the century. Wow. Untangle of the century. Alright, last cast, because I pretty much have no bait on this. Oh my God. Guys, I have one. No way. Oh my gosh. That's like a fresh one. That's like a fresh one. Oh my gosh, guys. Oh my gosh. Okay. 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 Freak yeah. Heck yeah, guys. I just had this massive tangle and then I had one more cast. Look at that. Oh my gosh, spewing eggs. Heck yeah. Oh, guys. Okay, guys. There it is. Back in the water. Whoa! Yeah! Guys, that was crazy. That was the untangle of the century, let me tell you. Untangled it and just cast it right back in. Bank right under that tree. I knew there was going to be one in here. Didn't I say that? Didn't I say it's a juicy hole? Well, that's going to do it for today because this snow is not stopping and I have a 2-hour drive home. The day was cut a little bit shorter than I would have liked. However, I did go 3 for 4 fish. These were the first 3 fish of 2024, so I could not have been happier, especially with the super low water conditions. You know, some of the days that you think you're not really going to have a great day, they turn out to be your best day, and I really think this was one of them. I got to fish a spot that I haven't fished in a few years. And pretty much all the fish that I caught were surprises, which is my favorite way to catch them because it just feels a little bit extra, a little bit more rewarding than normal. So I'm gonna hit the road, gonna try and get home as safely as possible. As much as I would love to stay and fish, I can't afford to get stuck here in Erie, even though I would absolutely love to be stuck here in Erie forever. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to check out any new videos, and I will catch you guys on the next one.